went through all of that and did the comparisons, and these are 100% authentic. So I'm it's your girl Jakari Yelity, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be doing a GOAT review / sneaker unboxing. I finally purchased my first pair of sneakers using the Goat app, and I'm here to tell you my experience. Now, if you're like me, I normally do a lot of my shopping in person or in store. I do like online shopping if I've been with the brand or I'm familiar with the brand. I think the pandemic and going through quarantine and COVID-19 overall has forced us to adapt to new techniques when it comes to shopping and all that other stuff. So I really took a chance, and I just wanted to tell you my experience. Before we get into the video, I would like to do a quick shout out to my subscribers of the week. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel to join Cara Gang. For those of you who are new to the channel, welcome. Hello, how are you doing? For those of you who are returning, thank you so much for rocking with me and supporting me thus far, and I wouldn't be where I'm at today without y'all. So just again, thank you so much. Today's video will be about these bad boys. So I've never had a pair of Dunks, and I ordered my first pair of Dunks using the Goat app. The Dunk Low SE Easter came out April 30th, 2021 in Europe and the UK. And SE in this case stands for Special Edition. And if you get Nike Dunk Highs or Nike Dunk Lows that say SB, that means they're made for skateboarding. These come out in the US tomorrow, June 25th. Today is June 24th, so you're going to be seeing this video today. And the release is going to be called the Nike Dunk Low Candy, and they will be on the sneakers app. I ordered these sneakers on May 29th, 2021, and they were delivered June 4th, 2021, which was the actual day that these sneakers were supposed to come out. So they came June 4th, the day that they were supposed to come out in the US at 8:30. And they were delivered to my door. It comes with a GOAT sticker, and then it has a GOAT verification card, and the authentication card says color, shape, material and structure, stitching, sole, label, and tag. The quality control is the SKU and the size, right and left, shoe condition, box condition, and accessories. So for the SKU, normally how one quick and easy way to verify if your shoes are real or not is you can look up, the SKU, or they have this QR code and the product should come up. And if you've ever owned a pair of sneakers, there are ways to look inside the box and know. So I went through all of that and did the comparisons, and these are 100% authentic, so I'm happy about that. A little bit more about the sneaker. I see why they were called the Easter Dunk Low when they dropped in the UK, because they're Easter colors. I actually have worn these, and I will, show my social media and the outfits that I've worn it with. It has brown in the back, and then the soles are brown on the inside, the pink, and then the blue, and then like the yellow sole with the speckles of, purple, blue, yellow, pink. Really cute, really cute. So this one's different. This one has a green Nike swoosh, my bad. Oops, I need to clean these. Actually, cleaning them is actually really easy. I went to get a massage with my friend the other day, and I think the person who was massaging me stepped on my sneakers and scuffed them. I was able to get the scuff mark out really easy with a baby wipe. I didn't go as far as using like a magic eraser, but I'm pretty sure it would have came out a lot quicker. Just putting a little bit of elbow grease into it, it definitely helped. Now a little bit about the app. So because I'm recording on my phone, I'm gonna show you how you would go about buying these sneakers. When you get to the site, even in the app or on the computer, it'll take you to their promotion page. So it says new in here, and then basically what you're gonna do is I bought the Nike Dunk Lows, so you type in what you want. So I'm gonna type in Nike Dunk And then the next pair that I'm interested in is the Dunklow black and white. So another thing that I like about Goat is that it sends you alerts for like when the shoes are, you can buy them at a lower price. I don't know if you're familiar with like the stock market or investing, but like investors or traders often say buy the dip. So for me, I just feel like StockX and Stadium Goods are really, really, really expensive. So I really like the fact that Goat will, if you set your notifications to it, will send you an alert every time a pair of sneakers that are in your wants, like they allow you to like create like a wish list. So every time something in your wants or just sneakers that came out in general can be purchased for a lower price, they will alert the people who have the app. So basically what you would do here is you don't want to buy used shoes because who does that? So you're gonna click buy new, and then it says the best price, which is $263, and new and in box. Now, sometimes in the app, what you'll see is, so here it says $324, but it says instant with an arrow. That means it's instantly verified and it gets shipped directly to your house. Normally what happens is when you buy a pair of sneakers from Goat, the seller will send them to a Goat warehouse. They will verify them and you'll get one of those authentication cards with your purchase and the sticker as I mentioned before. And then they will send it directly to your house after Goat has verified them, or you can get them already verified and just sent to your crib, which I think is also really dope. So yeah, I definitely really liked this experience. You know, I was very apprehensive. I was worried that I was gonna get a fake pair of sneakers, but at the same time, when this company first came out, like in 2012 or whatever, when people, you know, were starting to use it, of course, you know, there were bad reviews or people saying that, I don't know, there were hiccups. So it is 2021 now. I would hope that, you know, they're still not passing fakes or they're not selling fake sneakers. If y'all know me, y'all know I love color. So right now, these are probably like one of my favorite pairs of sneakers that I have. My boo, he got basically all of my sneakers off of Stadium Goods, but for me, in terms of purchasing sneakers for myself in the future and him, I definitely am going to use Goat. And then this video is in no way, shape, or form sponsored. This is my honest opinion for anyone who's been in my shoes and like absolutely refused to buy sneakers off StockX or Stadium Goods or even Goat. I'm a believer. I made my first purchase and had like a really, really, really good experience. So I'm like super happy about that. And like can't wait to add to my sneaker collection. Thank you for watching the video. Give it a like, a thumbs up. Let me know some places that y'all buy sneakers from, or who your sneaker plugs are, and what your favorite sneakers are right now. I'll see you in my next video.